Top 7 Best Mini Drone with Camera in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. DJI Evo Nano Plus. The DJI Mini 3 Pro remains our top pick in the sub-$250 drone category, but the colorful Evo Nano Plus isn't far behind. Our test found that its sensor trumps the DJI Mini 2, particularly in low-light situations, and it can handle windy conditions well for such small drone. Like the DJI Mini 2, there's unfortunately no subject tracking and also no API support to make it compatible with third-party apps. But otherwise, the Evo Nano Plus is a superb compact drone, particularly if you need one that ducks under the 250 weight limit that in many regions can affect where you fly it. We found that it produced stunning 4K/30 video and stills, and the autofly has also improved considerably since we first reviewed the drone. If you're looking for a small drone and a DJI alternative, then the Evo Nano Plus should be near the top of your wish list. Number 6. DJI Mavic Air 2. Previously our number 1 drone, the Mavic Air 2 has been nudged out of the limelight by the arrival of the DJI Air 2S, the number 1, and Evo Lite Plus above. But you shouldn't rule it out as an option. After all, in our review, we called it the sweet spot all-rounder of drones. It's more affordable than the Air 2S and may just suit you better. If you don't need the new model's larger 1-inch sensor, it still shoots 4K/6 video, boasts an impressive 34-minute flight time, and has a comparable maximum 10km range. You also get the same subject tracking goodness as the Air 2S, a slightly longer 34-minute flight time, and that handy, compact folding design. While we'd stretch to the Air 2S if you can, due to its larger sensor and useful digital zoom, the Mavic Air 2 remains a great value option that is well worth considering. Number 5. Evo Lite Plus. As the flagship flying machine from Audal's latest lineup of DJI rivals, the Evo Lite Plus goes directly up against the Air 2S. Capable of shooting 5.4K footage at 30 using a 1-inch sensor, it shares a remarkably similar spec sheet, but it also both leapfrogs the Air 2S and the Mavic Pro 2 with its 40-minute flight time and adjustable aperture, ranging from f/2.8 to f/11. The Lite Plus model does lack the 4th-axis stabilization of its Evo Lite sibling, but the larger pixels on its sensor give it better light-gathering potential in dim conditions. Pro drone videographers might think twice about the lack of 10-bit video and D-Log profile, while the omission of side sensors for obstacle avoidance is a shame. But in all other respects, we found the Lite Plus to be an impressively versatile piece of flying camera equipment in our review. For the money, its 20MP sensor is probably the best camera available on a drone today, which gives the Air 2S some serious competition. Number 4. DJI Mini 2. One of our few complaints in our review of the DJI Mavic Mini was that it couldn't shoot 4K video. This excellent successor fixes that, while giving us a few extra treats in the process. The Mini 2 has the same ultra-compact design as before, making it the joint smallest drone in DJI lineup, but comes with a new controller that boosted range thanks to AUKUSync 2.0 connectivity and delivers a more polished flying experience. Like the Mavic Mini, it's packed with a generous selection of beginner-friendly quick-shot modes, which see the drone perform pre-programmed moves. But the Mini 2 offers more for pro snappers, too, thanks to the inclusion of raw photo shooting, while 4K video means the arrival of a boosted 100 bit rate. While it remains a fine drone, it's worth bearing in mind that rumors about a possible DJI Mini 3 continue to swirl. Number 3. DJI Air 2S. The superb Air 2S combines the best features of our two previous favorite DJI drones, the Mavic Air 2 and Mavic 2 Pro. You get the compact, folding design of the former, plus the 20MP 1-inch sensor found in the latter. The combination is a brilliant one that we loved in our review, making the Air 2S our top choice for hobbyists and also professionals who need a small drone that they can take anywhere. The new Mini 3 Pro. See below is even smaller still, but this drone's camera is even better. The ability to shoot 5.4K video at 30 gives you some extra creative flexibility and supports a useful digital zoom option, even if we'd only recommend using that at 2x zoom. Throw in the ability to shoot 1080p at 120 and some impressive high ISO performance, and you have a superb all-around flying machine that soars above its mid-range rivals. Those on a tighter budget should still consider the Mavic Air 2, though. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3. Looking for the most powerful compact drone around? The DJI Mavic 3 is it. This aerial powerhouse is fronted by a dual camera that mixes a large 20MP 4/3 sensor with a handy 160-zoom telephoto lens. The Mavic 3 fits all this in a backpack-friendly bundle we were surprised to find is somehow lighter than the Mavic 2 Pro model it's based on. Other improvements over its predecessor include a 46-minute battery life, in reality, about half an hour of actual flight time, and the ability to shoot 5K/50 type video, or 4K/120 type slow-mo footage. Upgrade to the DJI Mavic 3 SIN bundle, and you'll get 1 TB of internal storage, a very fancy DJI RC Pro controller, and the ability to shoot video in Apple ProRes 422 HQ format. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is the most powerful and, in our book, best compact drone you can buy. It has a premium price tag, but the Mini 3 Pro is a huge upgrade on the Mini 2. See below. If you can justify the extra cost. For the money, you get a far superior camera, obstacle avoidance sensors, and a range of features that you'd normally only find on larger drones. In our test, the Mini 3 Pro's 12.1 MP 1/1.3-inch sensor produced excellent image quality with impressive high ISO handling. You'll find very little noise all the way up to the maximum ISO 6400, while the combination of a bright f/1.7 lens and dual native ISO tech means low light performance is impressive for such a small drone. The drone's tri-directional obstacle avoidance worked well during testing, and we particularly liked its ability to shoot in portrait without cropping. If you can stretch to the new DJI RC controller, that's the best backpack-friendly bundle for aerial photography and video, bar none. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best mini drone with camera in 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.